All right, so good morning, people. I am at home. I am in my garage, and I'm about to try to get a 30-minute workout. I wanted more than that, but I couldn't get myself up. I was tired. I just didn't want to get up. So, and then I was like, okay, well, I'll just have to fit a workout in before playing this game. But I thought about the credit recovery program is supposed to start at school today, and I'm supposed to work that. Pay no never mind to the junk behind me. Like I said, this is my garage. Most of it looks halfway decent, but yeah. That's a mess. So anyway, I'm gonna at least get 20 minutes on the treadmill, and I might do some legs or something like that, or I might do the whole 30 minutes on the treadmill. It just all depends. So it's 5:27, and yeah, I need to be done by 6 o'clock. So let's get it. Okay guys, this has nothing to do with the vlog, but I wanted to show you all my Christmas tree in my classroom. Now, it is dark in my classroom. It's in the morning time. It's like, what is it? It's 7:35, so it's definitely morning. But when the lights are off, my classroom is dark like this. So I'm going to show you with the lights on. And here's a view from this side. And then with the lights on, you cannot see. You know, you can't tell that the lights are on when the classroom light, well, just a little bit, you can kind of see the sparkle, but yeah, this is what my Christmas tree in my classroom is looking like. All right, now, so let's get into this food that I have for today. Today is Monday, December the 10th, and first off, I have my latte. I got a latte this morning. It's not too sweet because Dunkin' Donuts doesn't make their latte sweet. You add your sweetener, unlike Starbucks, who automatically adds whatever. I have my cup of water, and then I have my bottle of water for refill purposes. All right, and so for breakfast, this is the rest of a sandwich that I had last night. I'm just gonna eat that for breakfast. Some Lunchables, just in case I want a snack. I do have these little bites just in case I want something sweet. They're 190 calories, but you know, it is what it is. And this is my salad for this evening. It's the Fuji apple salad from Panera Bread without the blue cheese crumbles. I don't like the blue cheese, so this is going to be my lunch. So this is what I have at work today to eat. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the process of transitioning, and I came upstairs because I needed to come and get out of my work clothes. So I'm not going to come on camera, but this is my dinner for tonight. It's just some potato salad and some wings. Now, the trip part about it is the wings are leftovers, and the potato salad are leftovers from somewhere I ate for lunch and somewhere for dinner. And so I'm just going to eat that. I know to some people that may not be like enough, or like, well, that's it, that's all you're gonna eat, but that is enough for me to eat for dinner. And I have my trusty cup of water to go along with it. So yeah, that's just dinner. All right, so good Tuesday morning. Let me show you all what I have for today. Today I have, of course, my cup with my water. These are some leftover ribs and a few baked beans. You can't see them real good because it's just a small amount, but this is what I'm going to eat for lunch. And in here is a little bit more of that potato salad from what I ate last night. I have a Lunchable for a snack, and then I have my protein bar, which may end up actually being lunch for today instead of a meal. I'm sorry, instead of a snack, because I don't have lunch for today. So, not lunch, breakfast. I do have a protein shake, so I'm either going to eat the protein bar or drink the protein shake. But yeah, this is what I have to partake in today at work. And I'm telling y'all, these ribs, they're so tender, they're so soft, they're so delicious. All right, so y'all, it is Tuesday evening, and here is my dinner. I'm trying to wait on my family so that I can eat. My dinner comes from Panera Bread tonight. I have a sweet tea. They gave me the kettle cooked chips. I prefer the baguette, but I didn't ask for the baguette in time. Anyway, and this is the sandwich, and I actually have the full-size sandwich. I never get a full-size sandwich because if you know about Panera Bread, I usually get the pick 2 meal. But they messed up my meal the other night, and my sandwich, actually. They gave me the wrong bread. So then tonight they gave me a full-size one. So because of the way that I eat, I definitely will not be eating both of these tonight. I will take it to work, and I'll eat what I don't eat tonight at work tomorrow. So this covers dinner tonight as well as lunch on tomorrow. Also, my lunch from today, I will be honest, I did not get to eat that. I actually ate a slice of pizza. Our yearbook representative, those of you that know me or have been on my channel for a while know that I do the yearbook at the school, and the yearbook representative came today and she got pizza and soda. So yes, I did drink some Pepsi. today was a very tumultuous day. It was a very hard day, and I needed that. I needed that Pepsi and that pizza. So I had a slice of pizza and a Pepsi and a breadstick. So that is what I had for lunch today versus having my meal that I showed you all this morning. All right, so good Thursday morning. I'm having to hold this camera because I don't have the thing. It's really funny how I'm holding it. But anyway, I'm in my classroom, and I just kind of wanted to come in and I guess tell you all what has kind of been going on. This week has been, okay, let's see, can this work? Okay, so this week, y'all, I didn't put my little clips on my hair, and now I regret it. But anyway, this week has not been a good week. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what it is. I just got to get myself back focused and primed, I guess. Has not been a good week for eating or working out. I've only worked out one time this week. And I've been going to bed super duper early. Again, last night I went to bed at like 8:30. It's really sad. I mean, there's nothing wrong with going to bed early, but I can't keep going to bed early every night. I can't keep missing out on stuff. So I'm just hoping that... Oh, and when I say I've been eating bad, I haven't been eating candy. Let me make that clear. But I've been eating the little sandwiches from Panera Bread that have bread on them. And I've had a pastry. And I do have one that I'm going to have for breakfast this morning, as a matter of fact. And let me show you what my lunch and stuff is for today anyway. So first up, I have my coffee this morning. I have my leftover tea from last night. I didn't take record my food from Panera Bread, but I showed y'all a picture. And when I eat, I don't drink a lot. So I had this tea left, and I didn't want it to go to waste because it's pretty good. Plus, I'm gonna keep this cup to get me possibly some tea today at work. And then I had some soup left from my potato soup. I'm not gonna open that, but you'll see in the picture where I had the potato soup. So I had some left. And then my sandwich, I had pretty much a half of a sandwich left, a half of a half, because I only get the half sandwich because I get the pick two. And then the baguette, I had part of the baguette left. So that's what I had left for my lunch. But also while we were there, did get one of these pastries right here. And it's a cinnamon crunch. It is so, so good. So I know I won't eat the whole thing for breakfast, but as the day goes on and if I nibble, I'll finish that. I'll definitely finish that. So that being said, that's kind of what is going on with me, and I'll be back in. I do plan on still weighing this week, even though I know I haven't lost any weight. I just hope I haven't gained any weight. So just want to come in and kind of touch bases with you ladies and let you know what's going on. Good morning, people. It is Saturday morning, and I'm going to weigh. And I'm going to also say this is the first day of my detox. And y'all gotta excuse me, I am so sleepy. I've been up for about 2 hours, but anyway, it's 6 something. So I gotta get up, but I'm not turning this camera around because I know I look a hot mess. Well, you know what? Let me change that. Hold on. Okay, see, here I am. Hey! Yeah. Gotta get up, get myself together. I slept in a full wardrobe last night. I have on a t-shirt and I have on some pajama pants, and these pajama pants do not even go with this t-shirt. There's a spaghetti strap shirt that goes with these pajama pants, but it's too cold in here for that. At least for me, it's too cold. But anyway, let me show you something. And babe, don't be getting mad, don't be getting jealous, but y'all, some people will never, ever, ever understand the joy that I have when I wake up to this right here. Which is why I need to do this detox, which is why I need to get myself and my life back together. Because, you know, I mean, I mean, yeah, like, not having a belly, it's like the best thing for somebody like me that has always had a belly. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and weigh, and I'm going to tell y'all now. I truly believe that I have gained some weight, but it is what it is. Okay, so I do have on a few clothes, but I've gained a pound. I weigh 197.3. It is what it is. So let's do this again. All right, same thing the second time. So yeah, let's get into this detox.